So today I'm working on the 66 and I found all these parts. And when I found these parts, they were in the 85 F-150 that I had sold. And I took the parts out and I thought it was cool. There was a bunch of 65 Mustangs. So I'm like, oh, that's a deal for what I got the truck for. And it came with a bunch of 65 Mustang parts. But I didn't have a 65 Mustang at the time. But I still held on to them. And luckily I did, because I had door handles. This right here for a vent. These. And these go here. Son. And guess what? Minor damage. So I'll be able to replace that and retain some of the OEM look. And I also have the blinker lights here. But what I want to do is I want to replace this headlight here. The headlight on the opposite side. That one is pretty much new, just like that one. That one is the one that I got in the 85 truck. But these two are exactly the same. And I got a thing to where I'm just like, okay, I want them to match. So I think what I'll do is I just polish this one. And then I have two Ford front headlight bulbs. I think this one came off of a Chevy. If you look in the front, maybe you can see it. It's like looks like a little bandage or a little Chevy emblem. So yeah. But other than that, I was able to use one of the door handles that I had on the inside as well, which was this one. And found out that this door actually opens. What I didn't know is the driver's side door does not open with the handle. From the outside, opens. Inside, does not open. And yeah, so this was my old Super OEM armrest. So what you do is you'll take the bolts from here, the two Phillips from here, and put them on here. And then you use the bolts and put it back on the door. But I'm not gonna do that side yet or this side. What I wanna do is, like I said, I wanna get to that headlight, because I've been working on small stuff here. And eventually I'll probably polish up a lot of the chrome and stuff after I get a lot of this body work done. But I want to see if I can get this headlight out, because right now I have a bolt here that's stuck. And I don't have a Phillip that'll really grab it. So I'm gonna try and use this one the best I can and try to get that bolt out, because it looked like they use old-fashioned wood screw. Some of the bolts on this car is older than me and you. Some of you guys about the same age has some of this stuff. So I'm gonna prop the camera up the best I can and get to pulling this light bulb out. In there once I get it out. That goes like a safety feature to keep somebody from stealing the headlight. Maybe that was a thing back in the 60s, 70s. There we go. I feel like getting loose. Maybe I broke something. Coming out. 30-inch wood screw. Power tool. Looks like you got a power screw in number 2. Coarse thread. That one's a little bit longer though than what was originally. Yeah, I guess they had the right idea. Man. Some of the tools that I've had to use for this car to work on it, just like old fashioned. Like I haven't seen a car that had Phillips screws on it at all. So it looks like I take this chrome ring, and once I take the chrome ring off, that's how the headlight comes up. Put it on right. That way goes this way. Four turns. Probably figure out how to go back on. Like so. Take this bolt. Put it back in. Got matching headlight. That easy. That easy. And the other two, I think I'm gonna put the last one. It's a little too hard to get it out. I'm trying to find one similar to the one that's in there. Damn. So, that's how you install that. In my eyes, looks 100% better. So I'm wondering if I can get to some of these other parts and change these out too. Like, maybe the door handle. Maybe I'll do the door handle next. But yeah, I'm gonna install a lot of these parts on this car and try and get it back together. I like this car a lot. So old fashioned. Yep, but until next time.